Don't know how to film and edit with iMovie? Stick around and I'm going to teach you how you can video directly from your computer and edit your YouTube videos using iMovie. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best YouTube beginner advice, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. If you're just starting out on YouTube and you are overwhelmed with different cameras and do I use my phone, you can just jump onto your iMac, MacBook Pro, your desktop Mac, and use what you have right there to start your YouTube channel. And I would advise that you start now. Don't put it off. Don't wait to get the latest and greatest technology and gear, because I'm teaching you about how to use your computer to do this. Today, I'm not using my Canon M50, which is an amazing camera if you're looking for a camera for YouTube. I am actually using my iMac desktop, and I'm gonna do this whole thing using just my computer so I can show you exactly how it can be done so that there's no more excuses. I could also do this on my laptop, my MacBook Pro, if I wanted to, but today I'm going to use my desktop because it's more comfortable in my office. So the first thing that you want to do is open up iMovie. Okay, so here's my iMovie. I click Create New. You can do a trailer or movie. Today we're gonna do a movie because we wanna create something that's a little bit longer. So here you can see I've got some of my videos already uploaded into iMovie, but I'm gonna teach you how to actually use video from your computer and put that directly into your video. My favorite way of videoing is actually just using photobooth, and you open it up. You can use photobooth. You can do different effects with it if you want. Right now it's on picture, but if you click this icon, that's the movie icon, and you hit record, it counts down. We're not going to do that because I'm like, definitely my computer is breathing heavy right now. It's saying, what are you doing? Because I'm recording and I'm creating a movie in iMovie, and I've got my photo booth open trying to record on that. So the easiest way to import from photobooth once you have recorded what you want is to simply drag it and drop it in here. You can see I already have one down there, so I'm just going to delete that. Okay, so here we are in iMovie, and I like to actually spread it out as much as I can. And this gives me a good picture of what I'm working with. And it also gives me the ability to edit things down to a minute scale. Let's go to the beginning. And I actually look for the voice first. So as you can see, this bar is the voice bar, and there's no voice up until here. This is where I started. So I do Command B and delete that out. And the first thing I like to do is I like to go through and edit out any big clips where maybe I paused in my talking, I was gathering my thoughts. Once you do that, one of the things that a lot of people recommend when you are making a YouTube video is having there be movement. So as you can see, this video is just me sitting here talking to the screen. So one of the ways that you can change that is you can come up to the Ken Burns or the crop to fill. If you want to do the Ken Burns, you can just adjust this however you want, and it will fade in or fade out. And so let me just show you if I do it like that. I'm actually going to turn the sound down so you don't have to actually, maybe I'll leave it up. See how it's moving? I'm going to teach you how to get that link and code it perfectly so that when people click on it, it prompts them to subscribe to your channel. Okay, so that was very subtle. Let's go back and change it to being drastic. So the more you shrink it down, the more drastic it becomes. So let's do that. Start here. Okay, so you see how that's moving. Perfect. So I love to just go through, add those little touches. One thing to note is up here when you go to audio, you can choose a song and drag it down and add it to wherever you'd like on here. I actually don't know what this song is. I just chose one. Okay, so that's actually a good song. Let's shrink it down. I usually like to put it under 10%. There you go. Now, the other thing that I like to do is add some B-roll to it, which is basically like, you can do overlays, you can do end screens. Those are all the extra fonts and little doodads that you put into, that's like a funny word, doodads, right? If you want to learn how to do this, you can click on the link that is up in the right corner of this video, and I will share with you how to do YouTube B-roll and just to add all these little touches to it. But I have some thumbnails already created to go. So the first one I'm going to do is my end screen. I'm just going to drag it and drop it in here. The thing to remember with end screens is you want to make them 20 seconds. So you click this eye up here where the clip information is, you come to the duration and you put 20.0, and that will extend it. The 20 seconds is how long YouTube actually will give us at the end to advertise some of our other videos. You really want to drive your viewers to your other videos. We like to call it binge watching, so that you get more watch time. And so this is a really important thing to put at the end. You can do it where you have different graphics and stuff on there. I just like to keep mine simple. Let's add a subscribe prompt in here. And so you basically just grab the B-roll that you created, which you can find a tutorial for up in the upper right-hand corner, and you add it here. You can see that this is black because I saved it as a transparent picture, so it just goes right over. And you can also see in the top left-hand corner that my name Mandy Sommers is. So here, okay, I'm gonna pause it right there because I'm gonna add a bell, because I'm about to say bell. So this is what it looks like. And you can just drag that out if it doesn't go all the way. Okay, so that's how you add B-roll to it. Sometimes you have a picture or a video that you want to dub over. That's really simple to do. You just come over here to the microphone, you hit the microphone and you hit this red button and it will start. In fact, let's do it. We're gonna shrink this down so you can't hear that. And this will pick up the voice that I'm doing. It's actually down here. You can see it adding on. Now, when you hit the space bar, it stops it. I'm actually going to delete that because I don't want that in my video. And I'm going to bring my music back up, or my voice back up. But now you can see how to add a voice over anything like that. So not only do we have music, but we also have sound effects. And you can go in and find different sound effects. Let's see. Oh, horse. There's a race car. Okay, go ahead and tell me what your favorite sound effect is in the comments below, just because that would be lots and lots of fun. Finally, the last thing I wanted to share with you is how to upload from iMovie. I would actually recommend hitting the file button first so that you then can name your file whatever your video is about. So how I film and edit my YouTube videos, or my videos using iMovie. So that's what I put there, and then you click next. Now, you can also go in and just automatically upload from here. If you do that, you want to make sure and retitle it. I always do mine as unlisted or private. Actually, do mine as unlisted, but you could do private as well. When you upload them as unlisted, they don't actually publish that day. You have time to go in and change the tags and change the description and make it so that it's optimized before you actually launch it. The minute that you put it public, then that video goes public, and your 24 hours to really hone in and get down all your SEO and get in that first 24 hours of data it starts right then. So that's how I like to edit my YouTube videos. If you want to watch a more in-depth how to use shortcuts. I have another video that I will link in the description below. Now you know exactly how I like to use iMovie to edit my YouTube videos, but I bet you're waiting around for that iMovie shortcut PDF. You can find that by clicking the link in the description below, but I've also created a shortcut video to teach you exactly how to use these shortcuts in case you're a visual learner and you want to watch. Also, if you want to join my community of brand new YouTubers who are looking for extra love and support, you can click that link in the description below and it will take you to our private Facebook group. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to keep making content like this. I would love to hear from you in the comments below what your channel is all about. Remember, consistency is key when you're growing a brand new YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the world needs to hear your voice.